Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk upload data into Dataverse tables using Excel and Power App. If you have hundreds of records, entering them one by one can take a lots of time. So in this solution, we can download an Excel template, prepare our data, copy and paste it into Power App, review the records, and upload everything to Dataverse. Let's see how this works. The first step is template. Here I have download button. I have stored my Excel template in SharePoint and I am using the Power App download function with the SharePoint file URL. You can see that I have added download is equal to 1 at the end of the URL. This tells SharePoint to return the file as a download instead of opening it in the browser. So the user can simply click download and get the predefined Excel template. This is useful because we can control the column structure and make sure users enter the data in the correct format. Next, we have a destination section. Here I have two combo boxes, asset category and warehouses. Both of these are lookup fields in Dataverse. Instead of asking the users to enter the category and warehouse in Excel, I let them select the record directly from Power App. For example, I can select the asset category and then select the warehouse. Later, when we create the Dataverse record, these selected records will automatically be assigned to every imported asset. This also helps us to avoid incorrect lookup values. Now let's move to step 3. I open the Excel template that we downloaded. Here I enter my asset information. For example, we have product name, department. Once the data is ready, I select the table and copy it. Now I come back to Power App and paste the data into this text box. We are not uploading the Excel file directly. Instead, we are copying the Excel table and pasting the values into Power App. This makes the process very simple for the users. Now let's click View. This button run our Power App formula, convert the pasted Excel data into structured record. Let me quickly explain what is happening here. First, Power App take the text input from our input box. Then we use character 10 to separate the text into individual row. So every line from Excel become one record. Next, we are using character 9 to separate them columns. This works because when we copy cell from Excel, this column are separated by tab character. So Power App can understand which value belong to which column. For example, the first column become product name, the second become department, and the third become description, and so on. We also use value for fields such as purchase cost and unit cost, so that the text from Excel is converted into numbers. The imported data is then stored in the temporary collection. I'm using clear collect here, so the collection is refreshed every time we click view. The formula also skip the headers and ignore empty rows. So at this stage, we have converted our Excel data into Power App records, but we still haven't created anything in Dataverse. Now let's look at the data grid. The item property of this data grid is connected to our collection, so it displays all the records that we just pasted. This gives us a preview before uploading. We can check the product name, description, invoice number, manufacturer model, and other fields. If everything looks correct, we can continue. This preview step is important because we don't want to create incorrect records in the Dataverse. Now we are ready for the final step. I click upload data. Here I am using ForAll. The simple meaning of ForAll is go through every record in the collection and perform an action. So if my collection contains 100 assets, Power App will process those records. Inside ForAll, I am using patch. Patch create the new record in my Dataverse table. My table is equipment asset. I'm using default to tell Power App that this is the new record. Then I map the collection field to the Dataverse column. For example, product name goes to product name, department goes to department, and the same process continue for the other fields. For the date field, I use date value to convert the imported text into proper date value. Now let's look at the lookup fields. For asset category, I use directly drop down selected. And for warehouse, warehouse drop down selected. The dot selected property give us the actual Dataverse record selected in the combo box. So Power App can create the correct lookup relationship when the new asset is created. I am also setting the asset status automatically to available. This means the user doesn't need to enter the status in the Excel. After creating the asset, I also create an activity history record. This record who added the asset, when it was added, and what action was performed. So we have a simple audit trail for our imported records. After all records are created, I show a success notification. Then I clear the temporary collection and reset the text box so the screen is ready for the next import. And now our asset have been successfully created in Dataverse. So that is the complete bulk import process. Download the Excel template, select your destination, paste your data, preview it, and upload it to Dataverse. If you need a custom Power App or business application for your organization, and let's connect. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for the more Power App and Power Platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.